Manage by exception. PRINCE2 enables appropriate governance by defining distinct responsibilities for directing, managing, and delivering the project, and clearly defined accountability at each level. The project executive delegate authority for delivery of a stage to the project manager. The project manager delegates delivery of a product to the delivery team. When they delegate authority, they clearly define their tolerances against the 6 aspects that we wish to control: time, cost, quality, scope, risk, and benefit. Accountability is established by setting up controls so that if those tolerances are forecast to be exceeded, they are immediately referred up to the next management layer for a decision on how to proceed. Providing the person delegated to can deliver within the defined tolerances, they can carry on and deliver. It's only if there's going to be an exception. An exception is when we think we're going to exceed a tolerance. If we think we're going to exceed a tolerance, then we need to escalate the issue to the level that has delegated the authority to us. So the delivery team would escalate to the project manager would escalate to the project board. Putting an assurance mechanism in place so that each management layer can be confident that such controls are effective. Therefore, management by exception delivers efficient use of management time. Focus on products. A PRINCE2 project uses product descriptions to provide clarity by defining each product's purpose, composition, derivation, format, quality criteria, and quality method. They provide the means to determine effort estimates, resource requirements, dependencies, and activity schedules. Note that there are 2 types of products: project products, what the project will deliver, for instance a bridge, an IT system, a claims process, and management products, which are defined in Appendix A of the manual. There are 3 types of management product: baselines, records, and reports. It's important to note that a successful project is output oriented, not activity oriented. Personally, I find a Kanban board exceptionally helpful on projects for helping focus the delivery team on outputs, on delivery, rather than activity, because the only measure of progress on a Kanban board is done, what's been delivered, what output has been delivered, rather than the activity. And the final principle is tailor to suit the project. The purpose of tailoring is to ensure the project management method relates to the project's environment. It ensures that project controls are based on the project's scale, complexity, importance, capability, and risk. And it is recorded in the project initiation documentation. PRINCE2 is universally applicable because it can and should be tailored. Tailoring requires the project manager and project board to make an active decision. It requires information and decisions. There'll be at least 9 questions on tailoring in the exam, and we will cover what can be tailored for each theme later in the course.